Audio brings an auditory immersiveness to the experiences. GMetri offers 3 kinds of audio elements that encompasses all our audio needs. The audio upload element allows us to upload pre-made audio files. Text-to-speech allows us to directly convert input text into usable audio. Audio record makes it easier to record new audio directly into your projects. Let us take a look at the audio upload element first. We are going to add a pre-recorded exhaust sound of a bike using this element. Selecting an audio file will automatically start playing it in the preview panel, making it easier to identify our audio files. This element has settings for loop, mute and volume controls. Now let us add a text-to-speech element. This element too has similar loop and volume control settings. In addition, it has the text input button that opens up the text box dialog. Let us type in a simple introduction about the bike here. We can preview the input text by clicking on the try button.
This is the KTM Duke 390.
Once we are satisfied with the audio, we can click on Submit to save the audio. Remember, this element also supports the Google SSML format, to refine the audio as required. Let us try this now in a new element. We are going to add more detailed introduction about the bike and add a 1-second pause between the 2 lines using the Google SSML tags.
The KTM 390 Duke is a pure example of what draws so many to the thrill of street motorcycling. This corner rocket maximizes enjoyment and user value, taking the honors wherever nimble handling counts.
This element is a handy tool to add quick narration to your projects. The audio record element can be used to record sounds for immediate usage while making drafts, but is not limited to that. In this example, we can record a quick welcome speech to be played at the start of the experience. This element has the common audio settings and an additional record setting that will open up the recording panel.
Hi, welcome to this KTM experience. Hi, welcome to this KTM experience.